should be one up. वो one up वाला factor नहीं आना चाहिए because I feel co-stars should always complement each other instead of.
अगर एक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या होते? कौन सा प्रोफेशन चूज करते हैं?
I guess I would have been I mean special talent तो hidden talent होना चाहिए ना. वो धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा जब मैं चाहूंगी लोगों को पता चले. Hi, this is Ashnur Kaur और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं फिल्मी बीट पे.
So Ashnu, this segment is called Fun Rapid Fire. कुछ questions हम आपसे पूछेंगे. You just have to be quick and honest, okay? Yeah, if you could be any Indian snack, क्या होते और क्यों relate कर पाते हैं?
I would say a bit of samosa and a bit of dhokla.
Yeah, but why?
Because like see samosa ka it's like bahar se it's like strong and sturdy, but under se it's a softy.
Okay.
So that and dhokla because I guess बहुत कम लोगों के लिए like selective the particular people, but उन particular लोगों के लिए वो एक comfort food होता है.
अच्छा.
And other people are like हाँ ठीक है whatever. So like selectively being people's. Yeah.
Okay. Great. One emoji जो आप बहुत यूज करते हो अपने फोन में.
I use the hands वाला heart emoji.
Okay.
And the sparkle sign.
The last song you were listening to?
I guess I was listening to not Doja Cat. What was I listening to? I was listening to Area Codes.
Okay, ठीक है. Last movie you saw?
Last movie I saw बहुत time हो गया, but
किसी भी Netflix theater पे whatever you remember.
What did I watch last? I watched my own movie's premiere.
Oh yeah.
Which is coming on the 25th of December. किसको था पता on Zee Cinema.
Yeah.
So I watched that.
And all the best for it.
Thank you.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Jacob Elordi and Taylor Zaka Perez.
Okay. What's your guilty pleasure?
Indulging in sweets.
Okay. Your favorite television personality? It can be a man or a woman.
My favorite television personality, Amitabh Bachchan, if I can count him as one.
Yeah, no, but
like
proper.
KBC
no
is like made.
Okay, chalo, we'll give
like
you
KBC
that.
is big beast show, nothing without him.
We'll give you that. Okay, sure. The one thing which you dislike about television industry, or one thing you would like to change, what would be that?
I guess initially, of course, when I started working, तब working hours बहुत haywire थे, but now they're pretty much in control. So it's a beautiful industry to be in, and there's nothing I would want to change about it.
एक app जो आप बहुत use करते हो?
Instagram, Notepad, Snapchat, YouTube, like all social medias and my Notepad.
Okay. What is the good and bad thing about being famous?
Good thing obviously is you get so much love, and the people who don't even know you but shower so much love on you. And I guess that's the purest form of love anybody could have, because they don't even know you properly to kind of love you, but they still do. A bad thing I would say, see, everything has its own pros and cons. So obviously you can't like go out in public places, or even if you're going to attend like a concert or something. So you have to kind of mask up and stuff like that. But then that's also another experience to have.
Right. Okay. थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलना.
Sorry.
It's okay.
आपको बार-बार मुझे याद दिलाना पड़ेगा.
The one thing you looking for your co-star, be it male या female, but आप hope करते हो कि ये quality होगा तो काम करना आसान हो जाएगा.
I guess competition कभी नहीं आना चाहिए दोनों के बीच. Healthy competition रहना चाहिए, तो तभी scene enhance होता है. But एक होता है ना कि I should be one up. वो one up वाला factor नहीं आना चाहिए, because I feel co-stars should always complement each other instead of competing with each other.
Right. Hardest part about being an actor?
Hardest, I would say the most beautiful part would be that you get to play so many lives in just one life.
That is also hard sometimes, according to
that
you?
Is hard because like you have to get in and get out, so that you also don't forget. You're not forgetting your own personality, I would say. As actors, we just get into the character so much that kabhi kabar hum bhul jate hain what we are as a person.
Right. Last few questions. Someone from the industry you really, really want to share screen space with sooner or later?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. Okay.
And Naseeruddin Shah, sir.
अगर एक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या होते? कौन सा प्रोफेशन चूज करते हैं?
I guess I would have been a pilot.
Pilot. Okay. Hypothetically, if you can get a superpower, क्या होगी?
To eat without gaining any.
Right. And lastly, apart from acting, what's your special talent?
I mean, special talent तो hidden talent होना चाहिए ना. वो धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा जब मैं चाहूंगी लोगों को पता चले.
एक स्पेशल टैलेंट के बारे में हम मेंशन कर रहे थे जो आपकी रील में चलो वायरल हो गई, जो आपने ही डाला था. वो रील पहले मुझे बताइए, जब you got to know it is getting viral, what was your first reaction?
अरे the thing is actually that was the last episode of mine and Sathiya, because then I had another show that was coming up.
हिंदी
कि मेरा एक और शो आने वाला था उसके बाद, एंड मैं 6 साल की थी उस टाइम. And the thing is कि उस वीडियो को 2x कर दिया ऐसे, which is why my voice sounds so funny. और मेरी वॉइस ऐसी नहीं थी वो 2x करके इतना फनी हो गया, एंड वो बार बार कुछ कुछ महीने बाद, एक एक दो दो महीने बाद बार बार वायरल होते जा रहा है. But yeah, I mean, my DMs are full of it. My friends have been sending it to me like crazy. But I'm enjoying it.
Right. What is it? Is it Gopi Bain? It is Copy Pen? What is it?
That's for you to figure out.
Thank you so much for the lovely interview. Anything you want to say to your fans?
Just keep loving, keep supporting the way you always have, because that's all I need to keep going and keep doing better every day. And lots of love to you.